Voice: warm, calm, documentary narrator with a natural human tone. Speak as if explaining something fascinating to a close friend. Use smooth pacing, realistic breathing, gentle pauses, emotional emphasis on important words, slight curiosity, and a sense of wonder. Avoid robotic delivery. Vary pitch naturally. Add subtle excitement during amazing facts and a softer tone during relaxing moments. Imagine a National Geographic or BBC documentary narrator. Every night, while you sleep peacefully, gentle, mysterious tone, short pause, your body begins one of the most amazing repair missions. Emphasize most amazing. You never even notice. As soon as you fall asleep, slight pause, your brain completely changes its activity, preparing your entire body for recovery. Sleep isn't just one state. Confident tone. Your brain actually cycles through 4 different stages, several times, every single night. Stage 1 is very light sleep, slow and relaxing. Your body begins to relax, but you're still easy to wake up. In Stage 2, slight emphasis. Your heartbeat, your breathing, and even your body temperature all begin to slow down. Then comes deep sleep, dramatic pause, the most important stage for healing, growth, and repairing your body. While you're sleeping, your muscles quietly repair tiny injuries, becoming stronger without you even realizing it. Your body releases powerful growth hormone, helping children grow and helping adults repair damaged tissues. At the same time, your immune system becomes more active, building stronger defenses against future infections. Your heart finally gets a chance to rest, as your blood pressure naturally drops. Your lungs continue delivering oxygen to every single cell, keeping your body alive and healthy throughout the night. Meanwhile, your liver and kidneys never stop working, filtering waste and cleaning your blood while you sleep. Inside your brain, something incredible is happening. Curious tone. It organizes your memories, deciding which moments are important enough to keep. That's exactly why getting enough sleep helps you learn faster and remember more. Even more surprising, short pause, your brain actually washes away harmful waste products that build up during the day. Then comes REM sleep, slight excitement, where your brain becomes incredibly active. And that's when most dreaming happens. Scientists believe dreams may help your brain process emotions, boost creativity, and make sense of recent experiences. During this stage, your muscles temporarily relax, preventing you from physically acting out your dreams. Sleep also keeps your hormones balanced, controlling hunger, stress, and your daily energy levels. So when you wake up, after a full night of healthy sleep, your body's energy stores are fully recharged, ready for a brand new day. But when you don't get enough sleep, thinking becomes harder, your focus drops, your reaction time slows, and even your memory suffers. Healthy sleep supports nearly every system inside your body, from your heart to your brain and everything in between. That's why sleep isn't simply about resting, warm emphasis. It's one of the most powerful tools for staying healthy, living longer, and feeling your absolute best. So tonight, gentle, inspirational ending, when you close your eyes. Remember this, your body isn't shutting down, it's working, every single second, repairing, recharging, protecting you, and preparing you for a brand new day. Sleep truly is your body's greatest superpower.